Hey guys, it's me again. Tonight we're going to draw a whamon. This guy started off as a servant of the Bagra army. And, well, he didn't always start out this way. This guy started out as one of the protagonists in the original Digimon series. And then he made a return in Digimon the Frontier as a friend to the Detector Squad. Yeah, that's what I'm calling them. Anyway, whamon, he's really friendly. Well, he's really gigantic. It's really unpredictable how he's going to appear. Since I'm already on tour, I'm already teaching you guys how to draw this. Once a day, I'm posting one episode. That way I can focus on my huge pieces and be able to share this with the fans. To be honest, I'm working more on my pieces rather than this. I don't really have time to be working on my page because it's not what I'm supposed to be doing right now. I'm supposed to be working on my stuff upstairs, and that's what I'll be doing soon. Anyway, there he is. That is how you draw a whamon from Digimon. And, well, if you want to see his evolved form, you guys are free to look at it. I'm placing it in the description playlist below. You guys are happy to check it out if you want. Digimon is always welcome here. I want to get the playlist up and running, and I want to see more characters getting more views. Can you let me know when... No, after your post response, let me know what you want me to draw next. Stegosaurus, see you later, guys, and be sure to tune in for more Digimon episodes. They come in randomly, so be on the lookout for more of this.